Hello, this is the morning or the afternoon of May the 4th, 2024. I'm just outside our home capturing this video. I just want to capture the sound that I'm hearing. I don't know whether it is buzzing of insects or chirping of birds. You can hear it. I hope everybody can hear this sound. I just want to capture this sound that I'm hearing right now. It's the afternoon of 4th May, May the 4th, 2024, and we are just preparing to head out to Columbus for an itineration service tomorrow. So I just wanted to capture this sound. I don't know where the sound is coming from. I don't know if it's the birds that are chirping or insects are buzzing. It's a pretty loud sound. I don't know whether this is the cicada season. I have no idea, but I've not seen the cicadas. I've not seen them. I know I've seen them before. I know they are supposed to be out and about at this time. I don't know if the cicadas are what is causing this sound, but I've not seen any. I've not seen any. I know I've seen them before around my home. They show up once every 7 to 10 years. And so I don't know if this noise is coming from the cicadas, but I just wanted to capture it. I can hear it loud and clear. I hope the microphone is able to capture this noise that is going around. It is not usual. I don't see it. I don't hear it most of the time, but I just started hearing it in a very recent days, about 1 or 2 days ago. This has been a constant buzzing or sound or chirping of insects or birds. I have no idea because I have not seen the cicadas. I think I may have. I don't know. Probably the cicadas is what's causing this noise. Maybe the cicadas, but I've not really seen them the way I've seen them before, 7 to 10 years apart. So maybe the cicadas are in Macon, and that's what's causing this noise that I'm hearing this afternoon. So I am so grateful for the opportunity to be out here this afternoon, hearing this noise going on here. It's probably the cicadas. It doesn't sound like birds, but I can't find them. I can't see them. That's the only concern, but I can hear the buzzing. And so we are getting ready. We are getting ready to head to Columbus for itineration tomorrow. And so we are thankful to the Lord. We are trusting the Lord for journey mercies. We are trusting the Lord for journey mercies. So it may be the cicadas. It's likely the cicadas. I'm just hearing their noise, but I don't see them at all. I don't see them at all. So I have it documented and videotaped, and somebody may try to identify what this noise is all about. So this is May the 4th, 2024. We are on our way. We are on our way to Columbus. To God be the glory. To God be the glory. This is our neighborhood.